Breaking news coming in. Bombay High Court has granted interim protection to actor Sonu Sood's building against BMC demolition action till 13th of January. So Sonu Sood getting that kind of a breather for another 2 days. Bombay High Court getting interim protection. This after the BMC wrapped the actor for the alleged illegal construction. Bombay High Court granting relief right there to Sonu Sood against the demolition action by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. This is happening now, starting now till 13th of January. Vidya is joining us live for the latest in just about a bit. The BMC cannot demolish Sonu Sood's building until 13th of January. What the next course of action is as far as Sonu Sood is concerned, Vidya will be able to guide us on what the plan of action is. But this is just temporary relief coming in for Sonu Sood. The problem still stands as far as Sonu Sood is concerned. This was the allegation of illegal construction. Sonu Sood had, remember, received that BMC notice and he had approached a civil court in December, but he had failed to get relief, following which he had filed an appeal in the High Court. So that's the latest coming in right there from Mumbai. Bombay High Court granting interim protection to Sonu Sood's building against the demolition action by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Till the 13th of Jan, the BMC will not be able to demolish his building. Vidya is now joining us live. Vidya, this is a relief coming in for Sonu Sood, but just a temporary relief. Till 13th, the BMC will not be able to do anything. And what happens after 13th? And what is Sonu's plan of action now?
Well, Sonu Sood had lost his case in the Dindoshi Sessions Court, which is the reason why he filed an appeal in the Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court was told two things by the BMC. One, that the entire residential building in which Sonu Sood used to has his rights, he had converted the user from residential, he had converted into a hotel. One, and secondly, there were alterations made beyond the approved plan. Those two things were told to the court. However, the court, both these parties were not really ready to argue the case because BMC said that they had just received the notice and they did not have all the documents, and which is the reason why they needed time. So the court has protected them until the further hearings in this case really happens, which is on the 13th of this month.
All right. So until the 13th of this month, have you managed to speak to Sonu Sood or any of the members of his team to know what next now from their end?
Well, they will be ready with their legal case by 13th. Amog Singh, the lawyer who was representing them, told the court, yes, that it has been changed. The user of that entire residential building from residence to a commercial apartment has been made, but they had applied for the change of user in 2018. And since 2018, the BMC did nothing about their, the plea that they had made to the BMC to change the user. And in spite of that, they sent notices of demolition, which is the reason why Sonu Sood has approached the courts now, and he's hoping that with a legal battle that will ensue now in the Bombay High Court, he will be able to convince the court as to why the demolition should not really happen, one, and whether the BMC should really pass an order and give a license to him to run a hotel and not a residential apartment.
All right. Thank you, Vidya, for joining us for the very latest details right there. We'll continue tracking this story and the developments in much detail.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.